For decades, military helicopters have played a critical role in moving troops, supporting combat missions, and operating in dangerous battlefield conditions. But modern warfare is changing fast, and many traditional aircraft are starting to face serious limitations in speed, range, and survivability. That's why the Bell V-280 Valor is creating so much attention. A futuristic aircraft designed to fly faster, travel farther, and respond quicker than many traditional military helicopters ever could. But what exactly makes the Bell V-280 Valor so important? And why do many experts believe it could completely change the future of military air assault operations? Modern battlefields demand faster response times and greater operational flexibility than ever before. Military forces increasingly need aircraft capable of moving troops quickly across long distances while still operating effectively in dangerous environments. The Bell V-280 Valor was developed with those challenges in mind. Instead of functioning like a traditional helicopter, it combines vertical takeoff capability with higher forward flight speeds, creating a platform designed for rapid deployment missions. One of the most important features of the V-280 is its tiltrotor design. This system allows the aircraft to operate like a helicopter during takeoff and landing, while transitioning into faster airplane-like flight once airborne. That combination creates major operational advantages. Troops and equipment can reach mission areas much faster, reducing travel time while increasing flexibility during military operations. In military operations, speed can dramatically affect mission success. Aircraft capable of reaching dangerous areas faster can respond more effectively during emergencies, troop insertions, evacuation missions, and battlefield reinforcement operations. Future military aircraft must survive increasingly dangerous combat environments filled with advanced air defense systems and rapidly changing threats. Because of that, modern survivability and situational awareness are becoming extremely important. The V-280 was designed with modern combat operations in mind, emphasizing improved mission capability, flexibility, and operational efficiency for future battlefield conditions. But here's what makes the Bell V-280 Valor even more interesting. Many experts believe this aircraft isn't just improving military aviation. It could completely change how future air assault missions are performed. One major advantage of the V-280 is its ability to move troops rapidly across larger operational areas. In modern warfare, deploying forces quickly can become critical during high-risk situations where delays may create serious consequences. The Bell V-280 Valor also represents something much larger than a single aircraft project. It reflects how military aviation is evolving toward faster, smarter, and more adaptable platforms capable of responding to modern battlefield demands. As warfare continues changing, aircraft able to combine speed, flexibility, range, and rapid deployment capability may become increasingly valuable for future military operations. The Bell V-280 Valor wasn't designed simply to replace helicopters. It was designed to push military aviation into a completely new era of speed, mobility, and battlefield response. So what do you think? Could the Bell V-280 Valor eventually become one of the most important military aircraft of the future? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more military aviation content.